Hi, welcome back. Another important question of the day. It's a simple question. So choose options. Where do you handle picking in SAP ECC or S4 HANA? If you're already trying in S4 HANA or ECC course, this is the basic question. You must have to answer this one. Okay. Probably this is not an entry question. It might come like certification question to check your observations while learning. Okay. Let's see this. What are the options we have? Material document, shipment document, schedule and category, delivery document, billing type, inter STO, intra STO. All these are the different multiple options. If you know the answer, you can able to comment uh, the comment section of this YouTube channel. Okay, so let's give it a try. Anyhow, it is my responsibility. I can able to provide you the answer after some time. So currently I'm holding 5,500 students. And if you look at this sales and distribution, it is 108 hours. And idoc training, you have somewhere around if you would like to learn idocs in a perfect way, you can try this course and getting mastered right functional specification. I specifically recommending those people who are already trained, you better try these two courses. One is for idocs and it is very, very important in your work. It is very difficult without this course and without learning your existence in real time. If you already expert, then no problem. So getting mastered right functional specification, how to write a functional specification also I have a question in people's mind. I have seen in recent projects, I got so many calls from my students. It is one of the best course, useful for all modules. Okay, and this is a course specifically used for SD and MM. Okay, and I have few courses on pricing. I'm just before approaching 2027, better try this course. You require the basics of master data of S4 also. Okay, thank you so much. I'm wishing you all the best, and I'm providing the links below of this description. You can give it a try. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best. Have a great day. Jai Bharat. Love your country.